Lake Winnipesaukee is the largest lake in New Hampshire and the third largest in New England, only behind Lake Champlain and Moosehead Lake. Its name means either Smile of the Great Spirit or Beautiful Water in a High Place in Algonquin. Originally, the area was settled by the Pennacook people, a Native American tribe that spoke primarily Algonquin, but it was taken from them by the British sometime between 1623 and 1700. Dates are unclear. In the late 1700s, towns like Meredith were founded along the banks of the lake, but soon the majority of the residents moved toward the rivers in order to benefit from watermills and running water. The industrialization of the area soon became a major problem as it led to pollutants being dumped into New Hampshire's water supplies. While this was seen as a quick and free solution that held no consequences, the pollution got so bad that the water from the lake and rivers changed color with the dyes being used in the surrounding mills. While finding an exact date for the start of conservation efforts in Lake Winnipesaukee is difficult, in 1979, the Lakes Region Conservation Trust was founded in order to conserve the lake, the watershed, and the biodiversity of the lake. While the Lakes Region Conservation Trust was hugely successful in the past decades at cleaning up the lake, there are still problems the lake is dealing with. These include an invasive species of plant called milfoil, which threatens animals and plant life in and around the lake, an invasive species of snail, the Chinese mystery snail, which reproduces rapidly and outcompetes local snails. These invasive species are currently the target of removal actions, and it is recommended that anyone who uses boats or recreational equipment in the lake check for plants and animals and clean the boats and equipment off to stop the spread of these invasive species. Other problems include the presence of large amounts of phosphorus or phosphorus overloading, which damages oxygen levels and hurts animal and plant life. Polluted stormwater runoff, similarly, dumps untreated water into the lake. These problems can largely be solved only by property owners in the Lake Winnipesaukee region, who have the ability to monitor runoff and install solutions like drip trenches and rain gardens.